What's up, y'all? Feets here with a phone video. Da 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 da. This is my VTech. It died this weekend. Oh, VTech 5.8. It was a good long run. Hardly knew you. Have fun in the great plastic patch in the sky. But before I send him off to the great yonder, I'm gonna gut the little bugger. Let's see what's in his guts. If I can get the camera on it. Got two little screws here in the bottom. If I can get this on camera, two screws here. One, two. Hopefully this will have a little bit of gold plating on it. I don't know. Be nice if it would. Took the battery out and saved it because you can use them in other things. I've got a wind-up weather radio that battery will fit just perfect. Okay, let's see what's in it. Guess I can get it on camera. Remember, wood chisels are your friends. Hello, buddy. Well, maybe not. Ah, there we go. Let's see what's in this joker. Aha, this ain't too bad. What do we got here? I see a little bit of gold plating around this. There's a chip under here. This black blob. There's some gold plating here. Some gold plating here. And two more screws. I love the way they hide stuff. You said I'm using a set of, can you see that? Olympia Tools 6-piece Jewelers SD set. I'm assuming that's a screwdriver. But they're little and they'll get into the hard to reach places. Okay. A little bit of silicone. Some gold plating down here. Around the speakers. Where the connections are. There's gold plating on the pins here. Go into the screen. Snap her off, see what we got under here. There's a decent little amount of gold on this thing. I mean, if you're saving it up, save it up. Let's see what's under here. Aha! Sneaky bastard solder gun. Anyway, I would say yes, it's worth scrapping a cell phone, a cordless phone, because there's a bunch of them out there. That's gold here. It's gold plated around the edges, a little bit under this white stuff, and there's some on the back, and I'm sure it's under this thing, if I can get it off here. It's coming loose. I see something. Maybe not. That's just another chip under there, just like this one. And there's gold plating around it. So yes, cordless phones are your friends. Scrap them, save them, love them. They bring you pizza. See ya.